Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Josie. Look what I have. Another 6 pounds. And I have not even peeked in this one. Now, some of the others, once in a while, I'll peek, but I just got this yesterday. So I'm going to lower my camera, and there is always the little goodie bag. And she sends me nice things. She doesn't send me junk that she can't sell. It's totally amazing. So let's lower the camera. Let's see what we have today. And hopefully I can get used to this new setup. Let's see here. I want you to be able to get a good look. Ooh, I see rings. Look at this ring. That is pretty. Let me try this on. And there's no discoloration. Look at that. I was going to do something with my nails today, and I didn't. I got busy. And it is a, well, I would say a 7 3/4. It is really pretty. I love that. And then the other ring, gosh, that has a lot of sparkle. And again, no discoloration. And you know, this lady sells things, you know, just each item. So she could actually have put these pieces into her other auctions. I'm just really thrilled. And let's see, I didn't tell you the size of that one. That one is a 7. And it's gold tone. Let's see. It has something inside. What's it say? It's like PD or something. It must be the creator's initials, and I didn't look inside this one. I just love the way they print these. This has something in it too. I can't read it. Ooh, look at this. Let me clear this out here. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? It's gold tone, no discoloration. That is really gorgeous. Looks like created emeralds and crystals. That's gorgeous. And then we have some earrings. Now, I don't know if I'll get through the whole bag because like I said, I don't like to make these too long. They take too long to upload. This is just a little necklace, but I love the chain. Very nice. Those are just like gifts from her. And let's see what's in this bag. Oh my gosh. You know I love crosses. Let's see, hopefully I got the camera in the right spot here. I need to use my other tripod. I think I could get a better picture. That is beautiful. Chain needs a little cleaning, but other than that, it's in good condition. Oh, look at this. Looks like Hello Kitty. Might not be, but oh, this is beautiful. Toggle clasp. And these are just cold to touch. That is adorable. I don't even have to put that close to my face. I can feel the coldness. And one of these, now I'm not particularly crazy about that type of bracelet, but some people like them. And I have to remind myself we all have different taste. These have never been worn. It says $4.99. And this is another item that I'm not totally crazy about. This is a cute bracelet. And that is cold to the touch. Don't know what it's made of. And one of these. Oh, this is pretty. Isn't that beautiful? I like that. And here's a stretch bracelet. All in good condition. And that's nice. That's very nice. And like I said, if you see something and you know you think you're not going to be able to come into my sale on Saturday, because I will be having some of these pieces, you can also, you know, send me a message, say you're interested in a certain piece, make me an offer, or ask me what I want for the piece. This is really nice. Very heavy. Has good weight to it. Spring ring clasp. It is gold tone. Looks like they're little S's. I'm not sure. But that's lovely. That is lovely. Oh, let's see. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. Has a hummingbird. Look at. You know I'm in love with hummingbirds. I have one outside my window right now sitting on her nest. I need to try to get a good video, but excuse me and my allergies today. But I don't want to scare her off. Look at that. Oh, I love that. And it's got some writing on it. Let's see if I can figure it out. Wow, it's got a lot of writing. I'm gonna have to have my magnifying glass, not just a loupe. It's got a lot on it. I'm not sure. Oh, wow. That is lovely. Oh my. I'm afraid I'm going to have to keep that piece. You know how I feel about hummingbirds. Oh, and we have another watch. This is a very small band. Good for a really tiny wrist, or maybe just a young girl who's really tiny. It says West Locks. I think this is a very old vintage. It's in good condition though. I will put a new battery in it. And I do have some more watches for this week's sale. This is a Cookie Lee. I love when she labels things. Oh, wow. This is nice. Look at how long that is. That is nice. That's lovely. Let's see here. Let's pull some stuff out. We always have beads, and that's fine because you always get those no matter who you buy from. There's that one. This is really heavy. I am thinking someone painted this. I could be wrong, but I'm thinking. It's very, very cold. And look at this. This is genuine amethyst. packaging looks a little bit, oh, this is gorgeous. And I believe this is genuine amethyst. It's beautiful. The chain and everything. Little tangles, but I'll untangle it. And then the matching earrings. That's nice. The jewelry does not look like it's been worn at all. The box, if you wanted to buy this and give it for a gift, I would put it in a different box. But that is a lovely set. I like amethyst. Whoops. Okay, I'll worry about that, putting that back when I get done here. Oh, and here is another watch. I like this stretchy band. This is Geneva. And it has violet color stones. Very nice. Needs a little cleaning. It's got the original back, but that back is kind of dirty. I'll take that off. Put a new battery in it. Okay, here is, this is Chico's, I think. Oh, they're nice. Like I said, beads, long bead necklaces are great for sweaters. And I guess I don't like them because I don't wear sweaters in Southern California. This is pretty. Beautiful, kind of orange color. Yeah, it's showing up kind of orange in my screen. And that's what it is. Sometimes colors don't show up correctly. This is also nice. That's weird though. It has one of these beads on the side. It just has one. Interesting. And we have another ring. I think is nice, just needs some cleaning. This is a size 9. Oops. Take my ring off. That's nice. I will put that in jewelry cleaner and clean that. And let's see. I remembered my loop this time. This is an Avon necklace. It's in good condition. Again, needs some cleaning. I will be busy cleaning some of this. I don't clean all of it, but I do clean some. That's kind of nice. They're not crystal, I think. I think these are just glass. It has a barrel screw clasp. Okay, spit it out, Joe. And this, I would say, would be for crafts. They're pretty balls. But, oh, this is nice. I think this will look amazing once it's cleaned. It has crowns. I think it's kind of nice. Ooh, now I love this. You can tell my style. I like the bling. Look at this. Let's see, there's a mark on here. I'm not sure what. It says AN. Again, that's really pretty. I like that. And we have this. Looks like shell and then a heart. That's very nice though. Some more pearls. They're tied in between. Barrel clasp. They're nice. Her jewelry is just amazing to me. Now this looks like copper color. I don't think it's copper, but I'll have to clean that and see what I think after I clean it. Oh, this is pretty. Beautiful blue. Cold to the touch, so it's not plastic. Okay. Wow. We are tangled here. Maybe I tried to get that out too soon. Let's see, what do we have? This says Claire's on it. Okay, it is a, let me take it off the card. I think this is broken. Yeah. This is good for crafts, so. Or you can make it into a necklace. Actually, I think I would make that into earrings. Ooh. I am hoping there's no missing stones. No, there isn't. Look at that. Look at that bling. Excuse me. Has its logo is a C. Has a lobster clasp. Gorgeous. I will clean that one. I think you'll be amazed how beautiful that is. Okay. Pretty color pink. If you like something like that. But now this is pretty little bracelet. Got the Aurora Borealis colors. And it's cold, so it's glass or something else. It's nice. Yep. Well, I think I dropped a ring. I won't worry about it right now. This says Nashville. It's a copper color. Can't read that. I'll clean this. That's kind of cool. It looks like copper, but I'm not sure. I will check on that. Okay. This is lovely. I like the colors, ball colors. I should have had a second cup of coffee before I started this. Seems like my tongue is not working correctly. Oh, I love this. We were missing one earring, but look at the elephant. That is really beautiful, enameled. All it needs is a chain. And if I have an appropriate chain, I will put one on it. And there is one earring. And if I don't find the other earring, I will make this one into a pendant. Because if you don't like the larger pendant, this would make a really cute pendant. I could do that. Oh my. She's got this one packed so well. This is absolutely adorable. Look at the camera. It's a pendant, and the charm is a camera, an old-fashioned camera. I want to make sure it doesn't open. No. That is adorable. Oh wow, I like that. And I've had these chains before. They're actually very nice. It's a short one. And that will shine better too once it's clean. Let's see here. This has the Eiffel Tower. Yeah. The Statue of Liberty. It's on a kind of like a rubberized chain with a lobster clasp. It's not bad. Ooh, here is a bling. I'm just checking to see. I don't see any missing stones. That is beautiful. I like the bling. And I've had one of these before. It's a smaller statement piece, and this is Hallmark Express. That's nice. That's nice. Let's see here. Oops, there's bling in here. Oh, this is different. Very long chain. These are kind of cool. I think I would remake this or use these for crafts. These are kind of neat. Let's see. Let me pull some of this out. Oh, you know, me and my statement pieces. That's cool. It's really nice. This is J. Crew. And it has that neat spring ring clasp. That's nice. We are tangled. This is also nice. This is 1928. That is nice. Ooh. What have we got? Oh, I did see this in the picture and I like it. Not sure how to say that. It's Surfina. But look at that. Still has the tag. This is like a fabric, heavy fabric type thing. But I like that. I would wear that. And look at this. Look at that bling. No discoloration, nothing wrong with that. That's lovely. I like that. And somebody put like ribbon in there. Do you know what I have done in the past? When they kind of weave the fabric into the metal, I have just removed it. And I did that on a couple of bracelets, and I love it. Here's another stretch bracelet. Wow, there is so much. Oh, this is like a lovebird charm. Let's see if you can see that. Or dove. I should say dove. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, we have to have, somehow, all her lots have at least one or two paparazzis. That's a nice one. And still with the tag. Pretty green. I know someone who loves green. And another paparazzi. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. That is cute. Kind of a gold color. Very nice. Very, very nice. Huh. Not sure what these are. This is definitely what this clasp, this is vintage. This is a very old clasp. Look at that. I don't know what to say about this one. I like it and I don't. It's unusual, so I would say if you like unusual things, you would love that. I can't say I wouldn't wear it with the right outfit. Okay, this is kind of unique. It just goes over the head. There's no clasp. And I think this is plastic. It's kind of unique, actually. Now there's a couple of peeling on this one, so I would either put that out for $1 or I would put it in the craft lot. I do not like peeling beads of any kind. Oh, this is a wire wrapped one. This is neat. And I will test this, the wire. And yeah, this almost looks sterling. I will test this. That's cool though. Look at that. They did a nice job in it and put a nice long chain on it. Silver color. But I will test this one. There's a possibility. Okay, here's some, oh my gosh. If any of you are doing crafts or jewelry art and you need red beads, look at this. Gosh, this is, I would say, about 60 inches. Now, this would be great if I do another Christmas one. I've done a Christmas tree, I've done a Christmas stocking, and I use, naturally a lot of red. So if you're going to do crafts and you need a red piece, that is great. This is nice. I don't see any discoloration. I don't see any markings either, but it's lovely. I love it when I get pieces that have no discoloration. I don't have as many watches in this one. Surprising. I love getting the watches. But this is a nice lot. And look at these. These are stone. And look at how much. These are lovely. And I'm not up on the stones. Now Lisa would know what each of these are. This is lovely though. You could do so much. It's beautiful to wear like this, but you could do so much with this necklace. I will definitely have that in my sale. Or like I said, if you see something that you want and you don't want to wait. This is another copper color. Has a heart and a cross. It's a bracelet. It's very nice. Again, just needs some cleaning. Oh, this is just like ice cold. I think that's hematite. Very nice. Good stretch too. There were lots of chains here. And oh, this is Hallmark C, the logo. That's beautiful. I would certainly wear this. That's nice. That's nice. Oh, we have another watch. Another small one. This is, I think that's an S or an E. Tarlite. This is an oldie. Really cute. I'll clean that up and put a new battery. Okay, we got a lot of beads. This is nice. And it's definitely not plastic. Like an arrow. That's very nice. She has different lots, and you know, I go through them and pick out the ones I think might be good. Although I have not really, I don't complain about any of her stuff. Even if there's more beads, you know, I can put them in a craft lot. People buy beads for crafts. This is beautiful. Look at that green. Has a toggle clasp. That is absolutely gorgeous. I will clean the toggle needs. I have a great cloth for silver, and it does a beautiful job. Look at that. Oh, wow. And these turn. That is really cool. These are nice. I like that. That's really nice. Here's some more beads. Let's see. White beads. This is very nice. And a grayish color. Faux pearls. Now let me hurry here. Here's some black plastic beads. In good condition. Oh, this is nice. You know, it's amazing too, when you take the jewelry and you clean it, sometimes there's pieces that you think, oh, you don't like, and once you clean them and they sparkle, and this is lovely. Probably dyed halite. Let's see. Oh, this is chaps. I actually like that statement piece. It's a smaller piece. I am going to be busy cleaning jewelry. This is a nice wrap bracelet. Lots of bling. Oh, this I think is probably faux leather. Not my choice. No, it's in good condition. Here's a cuff bracelet. Man, that's a small one. And you can't move that. Either that or I'm weak. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm almost done. There's that one. This I like. Stretch. You know, I've seen very few missing stones in this. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Very cold to the touch. Here is a stretch bracelet. This is very discolored. Now, I would use this for crafts, for my jewelry art, or I would just sell this for $1 for crafts. There's too much discoloration in that one. This looks like cloisonne. Very nice. Very nice. And this one, also, I would use these for crafts or remake into a necklace. Not like this. So that one to me is a craft. This is one earring, which will go in the trash. And that one. This. And there's some more pearls. And this is hematite. It's very nice. Trying to go fast now because my video is getting too long. I love this, and I love the toggle clasp. And, oh wow, this is somebody made this. This is a wild ring. And remember, I dropped a ring on the floor, but I'm not going to, it's about a 6 1/4. Somebody made this. It's kind of cute. If you like things like that. I'm a little more conservative, I think. And even when I was young, I was. This still has a tag on it. Larger pearls. Stretch. And okay, now there's one here I definitely wanted to show you. I'm happy with this lot. I don't see any missing stones. Look at this. Not pretty. I like that. And remember, like I said, if you see something that you like and you want to make me an offer, feel free to send me a message. I check my messages very frequent. I do a lot of computer work, so I'm online a lot. It has an owl. That's kind of cool. What I like about her stuff too, she doesn't just fill the lot with earrings. And this was a 6-pound one. Oh, this is beautiful. This is definitely vintage. I will clean that one. I can't clean them all, but especially the bling, I usually clean in jewelry cleaner. Oh, this is lovely. What does this say? This is a Chico's. Well, they made some pretty cool pieces. Look at this heart. And look, I love the backs like that. There is no missing stones. That is, whoops, that is lovely. And here are some earrings, but there's really very few in this lot. This needs a back on it. That looks kind of cruddy. Those are weird earrings. Somebody might like them, but they need cleaning. I will clean those. Let's see. There might be two things I didn't show yet. And it's another heart. A dainty little heart. I think a little girl would like something like that. And we have another rhinestone bracelet. This is nice. This is another vintage piece. Isn't that beautiful? And the very last piece. I got through the 6 pounds. Wow. This is pretty. Now, I like pieces like that to wear every day. And I say it every time I do a video or unboxing. I do not wear statement pieces all day long, especially the heavy ones. I like pendants. And so, and then, you know, with the pendants, you can also layer, which is nice. And remember, there is another ring somewhere on my floor that I dropped. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. I kind of enjoy showing you kind of a preview of, sometimes I don't put all the pieces in my sale, but I do pick out some of the best ones. And I actually have another bag that I didn't even do an unboxing because, to be honest, I got so curious and I didn't have time to do a video, and I looked at it. So I did not do a video on it. But anyway, I'm going to be trying to buy one of these bags from her at least once a week. I love her stuff, and I don't know where she gets her jewelry, but I hope she never runs out, because this is, think about this. This is a wearable and craft lot. Most people that you purchase from, that if the word crafts in there, at least 50% of the items either have a missing stone or they're damaged. With this lady, I can honestly say there might be 3 pieces. One had so much, that bracelet had so much discoloration that I would not sell it, you know, a regular price. And if you know, I start my items off at the really low price, and I do some dollar ones each week. So anyway, I will end this. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, I appreciate you subscribing to my channel, and leave a comment. That helps. And also watch the videos. I mean, I didn't mean to say watch the videos. Yeah, watch the videos, but watch the advertisements. That's what helps us. I know sometimes some of them are boring and you don't have any interest, but that's what helps when you're monetized. That's how we get paid, is if you watch the advertisements. So anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope to see you all Saturday in my sale, and have a great day and be safe.